Hello there everybody, welcome back to another episode of Try New Things. So from the thumbnail, you know what I'm about to do. But for Christmas this year, my wife and daughter went to ITC Quick Attach, and I'll put a link in the description below, and picked me up this grab handle. Now this, I'm hoping, is going to pair very well to the step that I already put on the RK25, also from ITC Quick Attach. Typically when you go to step up on the tractor, what do? Well, if you have a step, that's a good start. But you also reach up and you grab that steering wheel and you pull the steering wheel towards you. I'm hoping this will replace my tendency to do that, and instead this will be a convenient grab point to pull myself up on the RK25. So stay tuned, installing a grab handle, RK25, chilly morning. So here's a look at the side of the RK25 where I typically get on. This is also the side, hopefully this comes through. I've got the nice ITC Quick Attach step installed. That's been very handy since I put it in. You do have a grab handle here on the fender, but my go-to is to reach out and grab that steering wheel and pull myself up onto the tractor. Now this grab handle should install right here and be as simple as tightening one bolt. Let me set up the camera, grab that grab handle and a wrench, and see just how easy this may be. So right here where you see this flat plate on the RK25 and the TYM, this just slides over and it has a single bolt that tightens up. I'm gonna grab my wrench, I'm gonna tighten that up, and then I'll show you how it looks, and then we'll try it out and do a demo. There, I think that's on there pretty tight. So there you can see the recently installed grab handle. Just a single bolt. It's easy to tighten up. And its position compared to everything else, including the step down there. So now it's time to give it a try, see if I can get out of the habit of yanking on that steering wheel to pull myself up onto the tractor. Foot on the step, hand on the grab handle, tractor mounted. Actually, I think it's better for getting off than on. Yeah, I really like it for getting off the tractor. Well, there you have it. That was a very quick review of installing the grab handle for the RK25 from ITC Quick Attach. Now, it may not be for everybody. It's not a terribly big tractor, but anything that makes our lives easier out here on the farm, I'm all for it. Especially when it's a great Christmas gift for my family. I was very happy to receive that and put it on the tractor. It's going to come in very handy. Now, as I promised, I'll put a link in the description below. It is a little bit spendy, but if it makes your life safer and easier on the farm, it might just be worth it. Or if you're a talented individual with a welder, you may want to take a crack at making one yourself. Well, that's going to do it for another episode of Try New Things. As always, thanks for joining me. If you got any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. So now we're going to take a quick break to thank this week's sponsor. And this week's sponsor, like every week's sponsor, is me, Chris Gladstone with TNT Try New Things, where I have started a new website link partnering with Buy Me a Coffee as an opportunity for you to check out some of the items I have for sale that you have probably watched the videos on me making. It's also an opportunity to sponsor the channel directly, either through buying me a coffee, or, if you're feeling particularly generous, signing up for an annual membership. With that, I'm going to go back to the video. But that's going to wrap it up for another episode of Try New Things. Stank.